Hello guys, this is me John and my little sister Rama.
Today we have some Play-Doh over here. We have 9 different colors of Play-Doh and we also have some really cool shapes. Let's take a look at the shapes. This shape is
Rectangle.
Then we have
Triangle. Star.
Then we have and we have a camel. Great job. Okay, now I want both of you to pick your favorite color. Pick your favorite color, Saran and Rama.
Orange.
You want to pick orange? And what about you, Rama? You want hot pink? Okay, now I'm just gonna take all these colors with me. Okay, now that you guys have opened it, you can take it out of its container and you can start playing with it.
Alright, so I want to
Which shape do you want, Saran? You want the moon? Here you go. And
I want the star.
you want the star? Here you go.
Thank you. Let's take it all out. We can take it all out.
Yeah. Rama, you can take the whole thing out.
Oh, whole container out. Whole container.
So, are you done with your first shape, Saran?
Yeah.
And what about Rama?
No.
Okay, Rama.
Can I make snake? Of the
So-
sky? Can I stay up the sky? Oh, the ship.
Thank you so much, Saran, for helping your sister. Okay, now let's just give me your shapes. Let me take a close look. So this is your moon. It's really cute. It's a moon.
And my little pink star.
Can you show me your star? And this is your star. That's so cute. Okay, now let's put your shapes over here. So now that you guys are done with one shape each, I want you guys to pick another Play-Doh color and another shape. Which color do you want? Red? And Rama, which color do you want? Yellow. And you guys can also pick another shape. Okay, you got the triangle and you got the rectangle. Okay, now I want you guys to take the Play-Doh out of its container and you guys can start by making your shapes. Now that you guys have the Play-Doh out of its container, I think you guys should start making the shapes.
Look, I got it. How do we get it out? How do we get it out?
Saran, can you help her get that out?
Oh, we have to do this again. Done. Open. Wait, so now, one line order. Now we make this. Oh. Your mind is so good. Mine too.
Both of you did such a great job. Okay, now let's take a close look at the shapes. Saran, can you give me your triangle? So this is Saran's triangle. And Rama, can you give me your rectangle? This is Rama's rectangle. Now that you guys are done with all 4 shapes, it's time for you guys to pick another color. Pick another color of Play-Doh. So you choose dark blue and Rama, you got green. Now I want you guys to pick another shape. You got the camel and Rama, you got the triangle. Okay, now I want you guys to take the Play-Doh out of its container. now I want you guys to start making shapes.
Tap, tap, tap. This time I will get yours out. And get yours out.
Great job! Now let me see your shapes. So this is Rahma's triangle. And Zaran, can you show me your camel? And this is Zaran's camel. You guys did such a great job today. So these are all the shapes that Zaran and Rahma made in today's video.
This is dark blue. This is hot pink. This is orange. This is light green. This is red. This is yellow. Hope you guys like our video. Thanks for watching. Bye!